On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can use AI to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills, without any experience, and without investing any money. This method is available worldwide, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, the next step is that you are going to find a product that you want to promote. You can see right here, these are categories of products that you can promote on ClickBank. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see many different categories of digital products. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want to see all the categories, you can just click right here, all. Once you click on that, you can see different categories of products that you can promote to earn money. In case ClickBank is not allowed in your country, I'm going to show you a new platform that you can also use to promote offers wherever you are in the world. So you can just come on this website, markethealth.com. On this website, you can promote health products wherever you are in the world. You can see affiliate. So what you have to do is that you have to just click right here, affiliate, so that you can sign up for a free account. Once you sign up for a free account, you can get many offers that you can promote to earn money. On this video, I'm going to be using ClickBank, but the steps are the same. Any of the platform that you choose, you have to follow the same steps so that you can use this method to make money. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting products under the health and fitness category. So you can see it right here, health and fitness. Just click on it so that you can find products to promote. Once you click on health and fitness, you can see these are examples of digital products that I can promote. You can see the first one is Alpine. The commission rate is $134.96, and you can see that is the initial conversion. So as soon as you get a sale, that is the amount that you are going to earn. You can see the gravity is very high. So this is a product that is highly converting. If you promote it, the likelihood of you getting a sale is very high. Apart from this product, you can equally scroll down and then find other products. You can see this one right here. The gravity is also high. You can see the commission rate is $135.55 per every sale that you get. As a score, you can see other products that you can promote under this category. You can see many of them. So now what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting this product right here. You can see the gravity is higher than the first one, so it means this product has got a lot of sales than the first one. So I'm going to be promoting this product. To promote the product, what you have to do is that you have to first of all look at the landing pages so that you can get to know more about the product. So just click on the name of the product right here so that you can see the landing page. Once you click on the name of the product, you can see everything about the product. You can see it right here. It is about how to lose weight. So when you scroll down, you can see everything. You can see the product landing page is very good. It contains a lot of information, and this kind of information can get people to purchase the product. You can see everything. So now once you get to know more about the product, the next step is that you are going to get your affiliate link. So you can just click right here, promote, so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on promote, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, create hub link. Once you click on create hub link, you are going to see a page like this. This is your affiliate link. So anytime people buy the product through this particular link, you are going to be earning $135.55 per sale. So as you can see it right here. So now once you have your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to this particular link so that you can get people to buy the product through your link. So you are going to be using AI tools to help us to drive traffic to this particular link so that we can get many people to buy it. The first AI that we are going to be using is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a conversational bot that is capable of answering questions with high accuracy, just like humans. So what we are going to do is that we are going to use it to create an article about the product that we are promoting so that we can use it to drive traffic to our affiliate link. So you have to write your prompt right here so that it can write the article for you. You can see this is the name of the product, Icaria Lean Belly Juice. That is the name of the product. So we are going to ask ChatGPT to write an article telling people how they can lose weight using Icaria Lean Belly Juice. So just highlight and copy the name of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back on ChatGPT and then write your prompt. So just write something like, write a full article telling people how to lose weight using, then you are going to paste the name of the product right here. In this case, we are going to paste our career lean belly juice. So that is the name of the product. Let me correct this one right here. Once you write your prompt, just click right here, send, so that it will write the article for you. You can see it is writing the article. You can see it is writing an article for us. As you can see, everything, it is writing the article. Just wait for it to write the article. As you can see, it has finished writing the article. The next step is that we are going to use another AI so that we can convert this particular article to a video, so that we can use the video to drive traffic to our affiliate link. The next AI that we are going to be using is Pictory.ai. So you can see it right here, app.pictory.ai. Once you search for it, you are going to see something like this. You can enter your email and password to create your accounts, or you can use your Google accounts to create an account. So in this case, I'm going to use my Google account. So just click on continue with Google. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, script to video, article to video, edit videos using text. You can see visuals to video. So you can convert any of these to a video. In this case, we have an article, so we are going to convert our article to a video. We don't have the link of the article, but we can just copy and paste it. So just select script to video, click proceed, so that we can paste our article right here. Once you click on proceed, you can see it right here. You can see the video title right here, and then your script right here. So just come back on ChatGPT. Once you come back on ChatGPT, you can see this is the title of our article. Just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste your title right here. Once you paste your title, the next step is that you are going to copy the body of your article and then paste it right here. So just come back on ChatGPT. Once you come back, you are going to highlight everything. Just highlight everything, highlight everything. Once you highlight it, you are going to copy the article. Just copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your article, the next step is that you are going to click right here, proceed, so that you can create your video. So just click right here, proceed. Once you click on proceed, you can see template library. You can select any of these options that you are seeing. So if you want your video to appear like this, you can select. If you want it like this, any of these templates that you want, you can select it. You can see many of them. In this case, I want the first one, so just click on select. Once you click on it, you are going to select your video aspect ratio. You can select 16:9, 9:16, or this option right here. In this case, you are not creating a short, so you are going to create the full video. So just select the first one, 16:9. If you don't want any of these templates, you can click right here, my templates, so that you can upload your own template. In this case, I'm going to use this one. So select the first one, click on continue. Once you click on it, you are going to wait for some time so that it can convert the text to a video. You can see it is preparing the storyboard. It is going to generate the video for us. As you can see, it is generating. So let's wait for some time. As you can see, it is creating the videos. So we are going to wait for it to create the videos. As you can see, this is the video. It has finished rendering the scenes. As you can see, these are the scenes of the video. You can see everything. If you want to upload the logo, you can upload it right here. If you want, you can preview all the scenes. So just click right here, preview. Once you click on preview, you are going to see a page like this. So let's wait for it to render the video for us to see. As you can see, this is the video. You can see everything. You can see that is the preview of the video. Let's click play. You can see everything. You can see there is music at the background, and then the text is right here. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to add voice over this particular text. We want to get a narrator to read all the text whilst the video play. So let's just close the preview. To add voice over to your video, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on audio. Once you click on audio, you are going to select voice over. Once you select voice over, you can select the language that you want. As you can see, different languages. You can also select whether you want a male voice or a female voice. In this case, I want a male voice, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see male voices from UK. You can see United States, Australia, and many others. As I scroll, you can see India. So any of the countries that you want, You can click on it and then find a male voice. You can see a whole lot of them. You can try all of them. For example, this one, play it to see if it is nice for you.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases.
As you can see, that is the voice playing, so just play around and then find the right voice for your video. As you can see, I'm using this one, so once you like the voice, let me just click on this one for you. Once you like it, you are going to click right here, apply. Once you click on apply, it is going to be used in your video, so just select any of them that you want. Once you have the voiceover, the next step is that the scenes. So any of the scenes that you don't like, you can just change it. For example, you can see this scene right here. If you don't like it, you can just come right here, click on visuals. Once you click on visuals, you can select any video footage and then replace this one right here. You can see a whole lot of them, and you can select them based on any of these categories. You can even search for any kind of video footage that you want and then add it to your video. You can see a whole lot of them. So make sure check all the scenes and then replace the inappropriate ones with the right video footages. Apart from that, if you want to edit any of the text, you can just come right here. You can see story. Once you click on story, you can see these are your text, so you can edit any of them. You can see you can edit any of them. You can edit everything. You can edit everything. You can see the scenes. If you want, you can come right here, click on text and then add some text to your video. Once you create your video, the next step is that you are going to preview it once again so that you can find out if the voice sync with the text.
And slimmer body jewels.
As you can see, this is the video playing.
One emerging trend in the fitness and wellness industry is the Acaria Lean Belly Juice. This natural juice blend is said to possess several properties that can aid in weight loss.
So make sure you play the video so that you can make the necessary corrections before you download it. So once you get to know everything in the video, the next step is that you are going to close the preview. Once you close it, you can then come right here, download, so that you can download your video. So once you click on download, select video so that you can download it into your device. Once you select video, you can see it is processing, so you are going to wait for it to prepare the video. As you can see, the video has finished rendering, so what you have to do is that you have to download it onto your device. You can copy the link of the video, you can export only the audio, you can export only the text. In this case, we want the video, so just click on download. Once you download the video, you can play to see how it looks like. So this is the video, just click right here to play it so that you can see.
In a healthier and slimmer body, many individuals often find themselves searching for effective weight loss methods. One emerging trend in
As you can see, that is the video. The next step is that you have to upload this video onto YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, so that you can use it to drive traffic to your affiliate link. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to upload it onto YouTube, but you can share it on other social media platforms. To upload it on YouTube, you need to create a YouTube account. Once you create your accounts, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create, so that you can upload your video. Once you click on create, select upload video. Once you click on upload video, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, select file, so that you can upload your video. Once you click on select file, you're going to select your video, click on open so that the video can be uploaded. As you can see, the video is uploading. So the next step is that you have to give it a nice title so that you can get many people to watch your video and then click through your link. To get a nice title for your video, what you have to do is that you have to come back on ChatGPT and then write a prompt so that it can suggest some nice YouTube video titles for you. So just type a prompt like suggest a YouTube video title for the above article. Something like this. Suggest a YouTube video title for the above articles. You have to write a prompt like this so that it can generate YouTube video titles related to your article. So just click right here, send, so that it can generate the titles for you. As you can see, this is a title that it has suggested. If you want, you can write another prompt, continue, so that it can generate a different title for you. In this case, I'm going to be using this one right here. So just highlight and copy the title. Just highlight and copy the title. Once you highlight and copy the title, you are going to come back on YouTube and then replace this particular text with your title. Just paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste the title of your video, the next step is that you are going to write a call to action here and then paste your affiliate link, so that when people watch the video, they can click on your link and then buy the product through your affiliate link. So you are going to write a call to action like click here to get access to Icaria lean belly juice, something like this. Once this is done, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. So you are going to come back on ClickBank. Once you come back on ClickBank, you are going to click right here copy, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to come on this website, tiny URL. Once you're on the website, paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste it, click right here shorten URL. Once you shorten it, click right here copy, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you're going to come back on YouTube and then paste it right here. So anytime people view the video, they are going to see the link right here and then click through it, so that they can purchase the product for you to make money. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here thumbnail. So you have to upload a thumbnail right here. You can come on Canva and then design a thumbnail like this. It's very simple. You can design a nice thumbnail like this and then use it. So once you have your thumbnail design, just click right here share. Once you click on share, you're going to click on download. Once you select download, you are going to click on download, so that it can be downloaded onto your PC. Once you download it, you are going to come back on YouTube, click right here upload thumbnail. Once you click on it, you are going to select the thumbnail. So just select the thumbnail. Once you select it, click open, so that it can be uploaded. As you can see, the thumbnail has been uploaded. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down and then select no, it is not made for kids. Once that is done, click on show more. Once that is done, you are going to tag your video, so that it can be ranked on YouTube. So you have to add some tags right here. To add tags, what you have to do is that you have to copy the title of your video. So just highlight and copy the title of your video. Once you highlight and copy it, the next step is that you are going to come on this website, rapidtags.io. Once you're on the website, click right here use tools for free. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your title right here, so that it can generate tags for you. Once you paste your title, click right here search. Once you click on search, you can see it has generated tags for your video. So just scroll down, click right here copy. Once you copy your tags, you're going to come back and then scroll down, so that you can paste the tags. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to paste your tags right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste the tags, the next step is that you are going to come right here monetization. So if your channel gets up to 4,000 watch hours and then 1,000 subscribers, you can be able to monetize your video. So if your channel is not having 4,000 watch hours or 1,000 subscribers, you are not going to see anything like this. But in case yours have something like this, you can monetize your videos. So just come on the monetization and then select on, so that you can make money from YouTube ads. Once that is done, you're going to select ad suitability. Once you click on it, you are going to scroll down and then select none of the above. Once that is done, you are going to come right here, click on submit rating. Once you click on submit rating, you are going to click on next, click on next again, click on next again. Once you click on next, you can see visibility. What you have to do is that you have to select public. You want your video to be viewed by anyone, so just select that. Once you select it, you are going to click right here publish, so that you can publish the video for people to watch it. So just click right here publish. Once you click on publish, you can see your video has been published. You can share the link on WhatsApp, Reddit, Facebook, email, Twitter, and then the rest. So any social media platform that you want, you can share your link, and you are going to be getting people to view the video and then click on your affiliate link, so that they can purchase the product for you to make money. So that is how you make money using this particular strategy. So make sure you keep on publishing a lot of videos using this method, so that you can get many people to click on your link and then purchase the product for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.